Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can unblock someone on WhatsApp. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be redirected to the home page. Now, access the target account you would like to unblock. Once you get to it, tap on the profile banner at the top. Then, scroll down and tap on the Unblock button. In case you can't find their chat or conversation, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner and then access the Privacy tab. Inside it, find the Blocked Contacts option and all of the blocked accounts will be displayed. You just need to select the target account and then tap on the Unblock button. So that's basically how you can unblock someone on WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.